It is exactly 3 a.m. You are lying in a pitch-black room, totally exhausted, yet completely, frustratingly alert. It's common to dismiss this as a random bout of bad sleep or a standard case of insomnia. But a 3 a.m. wake-up is something different. It is a biological alarm bell. It means your body is actively forcing itself awake. Ignoring this alarm is a significant risk. By allowing this spike to become a habit, you are forcing your system out of its mandatory recovery window, creating a cycle of chronic stress and anxiety that directly impacts your long-term metabolic health. To understand why this happens, we have to look at the baseline function of your internal biological clock, your circadian rhythm. This chart shows the inverse biochemical relationship governing your sleep. As natural light fades, melatonin begins to rise, and cortisol drops to its lowest point. This low cortisol state is mandatory. Your body requires this specific chemical environment for nightly healing. Deep sleep is an active, demanding chemical state. It absolutely relies on this precise hormonal balance to function. Modern habits dismantle this timeline. It usually starts in the evening, with late-night screen time and the intention to make up for lost sleep later in the week. The artificial light from your devices prevents the initial, necessary rise of melatonin. As a result, your body remains trapped in an artificial state of daytime alertness. Your brain misinterprets this deliberate sleep deprivation. It doesn't know you are watching a screen. It assumes you are facing a survival emergency. This graph shows the biochemical breaking point. To handle the prolonged stress of staying awake, your cortisol violently spikes exactly at the 3 a.m. marker. That localized spike instantly clears sleep inertia, flooding your system with stress hormones and triggering a fight-or-flight response. You aren't waking up at 3 a.m. because you are rested. You are waking up because your body thinks it is under attack. Fixing this requires a specific approach. The intervention cannot happen at 3 a.m. It must be executed hours beforehand. The baseline of the cortisol reset is securing a 7 to 9 hour sleep window. To align with natural light cycles, you need to initiate this window between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. You cannot shock your system into a new routine overnight. The strategy is to gradually shift your bedtime 15 minutes earlier each day, letting your biology adapt smoothly. You also have to follow a strict pre-sleep routine to stop suppressing sleep hormones. This requires dimming environmental lights, entirely eliminating screens, and cutting out late-day caffeine. These specific actions manually rebuild the broken circadian rhythm and stop the cortisol spike before it forms. Silencing the 3 a.m. alarm results in clear improvements. Your overall sleep quality increases, and your mind remains in a stabilized, calm state. The secondary benefits carry directly into your day. Your metabolism begins to function efficiently again, and you gain access to a highly focused, distraction-free morning. By aligning your internal clock and manually lowering your nighttime stress, you permanently take back control of your night.